Imagine standing on a windswept mountain pass, battling a sudden, furious snowstorm that seems almost alive, as if directed by an unseen malevolence. What could cause such a terrifying event, especially when a powerful wizard is known to oppose your quest? Many wonder about the treacherous snowstorm that assailed the Fellowship of the Ring upon Caradhras. No, Saruman was not directly responsible for the mountain snowstorm that blocked the Fellowship's path over Caradhras. While his malevolence and power were certainly growing, the storm itself was a natural, albeit exceptionally severe, weather phenomenon amplified by the inherent nature of the mountain itself. The primary reason for the extreme weather on Caradhras stems from the mountain's own ancient and formidable temperament. Tolkien describes Caradhras as Redhorn, one of the three great peaks of the Misty Mountains, possessing a malice of its own. This mountain was known for its harsh, unpredictable, and often deadly weather, independent of any outside magical influence. The storm was a natural expression of Caradhras's hostile spirit, a place where extreme blizzards and rockfalls were tragically common. While Saruman did not conjure the snow, he certainly perceived the storm and took advantage of it. His role was more akin to subtly manipulating or exacerbating the mountain's natural cruelty rather than outright creating the blizzard. He used his voice, or other subtle powers, to add to the fear and confusion of the Fellowship, making the natural dangers seem even more overwhelming and directed. It is a nuanced but important distinction. He worked with the mountain, not against or instead of it. This reveals a deeper aspect of Middle-earth's magic. Often, powerful beings do not create phenomena from nothing, but rather influence or amplify existing natural forces. Saruman's mastery allowed him to stir up the spirits of the mountains, perhaps giving the natural storm a more focused, destructive will. This aligns with the understanding that the greatest evils in Middle-earth often corrupt what is already there, twisting good or neutral things into instruments of darkness, rather than inventing entirely new forms of destruction. Understanding that the mountain itself held its own formidable power, and that Saruman merely exploited its wrath, helps us appreciate the true scale of the dangers the Fellowship faced. It was not just one wizard's spell they contended with, but the ancient, elemental hostility of the world itself, made more potent by a dark will. This insight clarifies the inherent peril of Middle-earth, where even the land can be an enemy, and heroes must navigate a world alive with both natural and supernatural threats.